Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to add DoorDash to your Apple CarPlay. Let's get started. So what you need to simply do is connect your iPhone to your car's CarPlay system, and the Dasher app should automatically appear on the CarPlay screen. If it doesn't appear immediately, navigate to the list of available apps and select the Dasher app. Once you've done that, the Dasher app on CarPlay will display key information in a streamlined format while keeping your mobile device's screen identical. So once you've done so, you will now be able to add DoorDash to your CarPlay. It is quite simple, nothing to hassle about. Again, simply connect your iPhone. The Dash app should appear automatically. If it doesn't, you will have to go navigate to the list of apps and select the Dasher app. Once you've done that, CarPlay will display key information and your mobile device will remain identical. I hope this video was helpful for those watching. Thank you.